how to fix a DMSS app network connection problem. So if you want to fix your DMSS app network connection problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problems occurring in your device. So make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and make sure that those are working. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and here under search, you need to search for DMSS. After that, if you have any updates on your application, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then tap and hold on to your DMSS application. After that, you will find the app info section. Tap on app info. Now scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of storage and cache. Tap on it and then tap on clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed, or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then just simply go and uninstall the application and then again reinstall it from your App Store or your Play Store. After reinstalling, just go and log in and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your DMSS app network connection problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.